Conflict will ruin the workplace environment if left unresolved. Welcome to the solution. This video unlocks the secrets to resolve workplace conflicts and evade a toxic work environment. Workplace conflict can be disruptive, stressful, and costly for both employees and organizations. This presentation provides techniques for preventing conflict and creating a happy workplace. Download this comprehensive training module on workplace conflict prevention from the given link. For better comprehension, it includes a case study showcasing the practical implementation of the concept with problem, diagnosis, and solution. The techniques here are supported by engaging and positive activities that add a realistic touch and make this template a valuable resource for you. Learn and act on techniques to prevent workplace conflict with a quick download. Want more? You will discover a unique PPT slide designed to help you master conflict management rules and create a hassle-free environment for the future. And yes, you will find summaries that will jog your memory and help you retain what you have learned in this training. This PowerPoint bundle is a two-way street because you can engage the trainees in discussions and Q&As so everyone has a chance to clarify doubts. Isn't it convenient? Keep your office a positive place of productivity and positive vibes. Click here for our workplace conflict prevention presentation to keep your workplace healthy.